Instructions for removing and replacing a tie rod. Okay, so first I'm just going to tell you the parts that we'll be using. And so this here is the left-hand steering arm, and then it's connected to the tie rod. This is the tie rod and the tie rod tube, and this is the joint of the tie rod, and it has this bolt that comes up through the steering arm, which then is secured with a hex nut, which is right here, and then this cotter clip right here goes through the hole that's in the threaded area. And then here there's a bolt and nut to secure the tie rod to the tie rod tube. And so what happened was we're actually replacing the right hand tie rod, but it took around a long time to get this out, and they had to end up cutting the tube, which I'll show you over there, to get the tie rod out. So now we're going to show you how to replace one. So to remove it, you would just unscrew this and take it out. With pliers, bend the cotter clip so it's straight and pull it out, and then with a wrench take the hex nut off, and then just slip this out, the joint out, and then the tie rod would just slip out of the tube. So now over here we're going to replace the tie rod. So here's the cut that they had to make to get the tie rod out. So now the new tie rod, which is right here, is now in place. And you just stick it up through the steering arm.
Start the slotted hex nut. Yes.
So you just put the hex nut on.
Oh, take a wrench. It's adjustable. Other way. Jacqueline. Yes.
And then you just secure it. See, Dad, you don't have to tighten it. And my dad is going to make it tight.
Line up the...
Then you have to line up the hole and put the cotter clip
No,
in.
this one.
Oh. What's that one? And then bend it.
Bend one over top. No, put them on this way. I'll bend it right up over top. And bend that one down.
But it's not gonna, it's going to be in the way. Down the way.
That's good. Now you gotta put your 3/8 bolt.
And put the bolt through where the hole is.
Hey, pop the bushing out.
Did you already grease this?
Yeah. You're going the wrong way.
Oh, my weights mixed up. Tighten it. So then you just put your bolt in and tighten it to secure the tie rod to the tie rod tube.
And you gotta put steering cylinder on.
That's extra. So this is a bit extra that had to be taken apart for the tie rod to get out because they had to cut it. So. And then this will just be welded back together. And that's the simple steps of replacing a tie rod.